In April 2018, at a Starbucks in Philadelphia, two African-American men were sitting and having a meeting. The staff asked them to leave, and they refused. The police were called, and then they were arrested and removed from the Starbucks, causing a big crisis event for Starbucks. This is a screencast analyzing Starbucks CEO's apology. Kevin Johnson first starts off personally apologizing to the two men. This is great because you never want to leave the apology to the end. He gives off this feeling that his whole apology is memorized by looking into the camera, which makes the audience actually believe that he is truly sincere about this situation. This is great because so far he has not stopped looking at the camera. You want to have strong eye contact. The strong eye contact builds up trust between you and the audience, which he is doing right now. The second part, he also apologizes to his partners and to all other customers of Starbucks, saying that this is not who they are and that they are going to learn from this incident. He is explaining right now, with so many stores, some have different practices, but what happened to these men is undeserved, and it was unacceptable, and he takes full blame. This is really good for the CEO because he doesn't put the blame on anyone else and tries to brush it off like it's someone else's fault. So he doesn't blame his customers, and he wants to make sure all the customers are happy, and he really is sorry about what happened. It really humanizes the company by showing that they can admit to their own faults. He also states that his plan of action. He's very proactive with the solution right now. He wants the people to understand that this is not acceptable and there is a plan of action that is going to be taken. He states what the plan of action is and the policies that he will want to enforce and how he's going to provide training for unconscious biases in the workplace all over. It makes the company seem very genuine, and it really draws in the audience that he is sincere and they want to fix their mistakes, and that is not truly who they are. Throughout the whole video, you can see that he never looked away from the camera. He is very confident when he speaks, and he makes you believe what he's saying. He looks very professional in his body language. He's not shrugged. He's not looking too timid. He's not making anyone feel uncomfortable. He's direct and to the point. Overall, Kevin Johnson's speech was very, very professional, and his apology really meant something to the public. And this is a good representation of what a good apology video looks like. Thank you for your time.